Hello guys, this is Juan from Shenzhen OSR. Today I'm gonna separate a 7-edge frame and also the glass with together. I mean, at the same time with this freezer, which is minus 180. So now the temperature is minus 180. So we're gonna start. Now, first thing we have to test this screen. That this screen has a line on it. Normally, when we want to do the video, we don't have a good screen. When we have big orders from customers and we don't have time to make videos. So, but this one is okay because if you use this kind of screen, that means we don't change the screen in the whole process. Means the process is successful. Now we just test there. Everything touch is okay. A little bit aged. Okay, that's it. So if the temperature is minus 180, so you can use the knife. This knife is used for the motherboard, or you can use the blade just below the home button. It's just cut a little bit. It's just like you just help the when you put into the freezer. If you use cut a little bit, it will help to separate the glass. Just cut a little bit. Yeah, this is the latest way that we separate the frame and the glass, because we always find a new solution, the latest one. So I think if you guys have watched some of our videos, you know, before we separate the frame with a hot plate, then we just use their use this shovel to clean a little bit. You can use the mode if your freezer cannot reach minus 180 or just minus 160. You can use the mode that we have. Okay, now just put it inside because this temperature is minus 180. So you can't just leave it inside. It's leave for 3 minutes. We left it for 3 minutes. So now let's see how it works. Yeah, just from it's already separated. Just from the part that we cut a little bit from the used blade. Now it's just slowly and gently take off the. You don't need any blade, nothing. That you already separated the screen. Now just wait a little bit until the temperature goes a little bit higher. Now we test the screen. Yeah, the line. I told you before we tested the screen, you saw the line on it. Okay. And it's just the line means we don't change the screen in the whole process. So touch works fine. Now the Olga is very sticky. It's a little bit sticky. If it's very sticky, just use this liquid, this 966. Can help you to test the screen. So later we're gonna do one more time to teach you guys how to clean the glue, because we've done so many videos. Before we used the container, but now we just use the hot plate. So it's like last year we used the container, now we use the hot plate.